Hey everyone, welcome back. Damon just unboxed a box today that we got from a friend, and these like spoke to me loud and clear. I'm actually these ones kind of like snapped together, but I already just pulled this apart, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put one little
Zip tie?
zip tie. And zip tie one side, so I don't have to worry about one side open. So we're just gonna decorate the top. For this one, Damon had a really good idea, and we put ornaments on the inside. You ready, dude? Okay, so we're just gonna design something fun, not anything crazy. Although this one, he's already giving me ideas. I'm already taking those ideas.
So, y'all, you can always find boxes at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's,
I'm doing that.
Walmart,
I'm totally
Kirkland's.
doing that.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a strip of ribbon.
Why don't you teach me?
Jordan, the big one you said you forgot about earlier, big lots.
Oh, yeah, big
That's
lots.
good ones.
And then go up and then twist it. So I want to make sure that this is even before I continue. Then I like to run my wire, ribbon, or whatever I'm using under here.
I already don't know what I'm doing. I have an idea though. When you put that on the bottom, isn't it going to be wobbly? So if I put it inside, do you think it'll be okay in the inside?
What?
The knot.
Watch what I'm doing because I'm going to glue this down as well.
That's
So
the bottom?
this is going to be my top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a great idea, Jordan. Did you snap this though? I'm already behind. Okay, so this is how I do my own presents. Does anybody else crazy wrap their presents at home like a psycho? I am a nutcase when I wrap my presents at home. I am truly a nutcase.
So I'm normally, if you wanted to, you could twist this back and make a bow, but I'm just going to put some hot glue. So
Yeah.
I'm just doing this just to can hold it in place. And then I'm going to go again and do another layer of glue under this one. So it's all glued down.
He's already like, y'all are done.
So now I have this little piece right here where I'm able to attach things with. So I'm going to make another bow on top with some tails coming down.
Oh, I love that. I think I just need all those down. I love that.
So if y'all didn't know, our theme is red and white for this weekend.
Our theme for what, Jordan?
Y'all, that's a mouthful for me. Stock your shop Christmas in July. That's a mouthful
It is.
for me.
You gotta be real careful.
This little speaker gotta stay closed. So I'm just trying to make sure it gets under there smoothly.
Y'all, I just whacked my face with this ribbon. Did you see that?
No?
Jordan's got all the ideas. I mean, I'll just say
Y'all
it.
know I love Christmas. Christmas is my jam. Like, I think Christmas all day, every day. So I just made a bow, and now I just ran a zip tie under that cross of ribbon.
Oh my gosh, I love that ribbon.
No, of course, all of our ribbon's wired. We don't use unwired ribbon. So we're just dovetailing our ribbons.
You.
I mean, I'm just dovetailing my ribbons. my friend over here is still doing her bow.
So
So
this could be fine just like that.
yeah, they could definitely be fine just like that, but I'm extra. Really extra. So I picked just some berries, some greenery, things like that I want to stick right in to our bow just to fill it up some more. So you could do two things with this. Y'all, this was a candle ring. It did come from Hobby Lobby. So this was $7.99. But y'all, look how nice and fluffed up that already looks, just with a little bit of tweaking. So what I'm gonna do is, this is the front of my present, the one with all the tails. I'm going to stick this right under I'm going to apply some glue. So I'm putting that down there so it just trails down the side of the present. So this was a pick that we found in our stash. And I just cut this pick up into 3 different sections, probably a little bit more. Guess who's here?
This is one of my
we
favorite
found.
ribbons of all time. Hi.
So now I'm just taking some of these
So
pieces.
we're just on the Deco change page.
So I'm just taking some of these pieces and gluing on. Okay, so now I've just added pieces of greenery throughout.
I brought one little U-pin over
And
here.
I'm just gonna trim this poinsettia down.
I'm gonna add them because would it look funny if I put them right there and then built up everything else around them?
No.
Well then, if that's the case, I'm doing it.
So I am adding some hot glue to this poinsettia because this is my front. So I'm gonna stick that right in between all of my loops of ribbon. I'm just adding some of these twigs in there because this is kind of rustic glam.
So the present has this like netting kind of stuff on the top that I'm using to attach the snowman to the top.
You know, I'm just gluing all of these into my ribbon.
Yeah, into the center of the bow, like
Right.
where you pull that bow apart, that right there.
A little armpit.
Yeah, like yes.
So, we're done. I'm done with mine.
Of course you are.
Yeah, look how cute that is.
Super cute.
Now you could put some little lights in there if we had some.
Oh,
I
yeah, that would
totally
be
would have
cute.
put some of those fairy lights.